Well, here we're looking at the Dow Jones Index, and we did see a pretty good move overall in the markets while I was away. We saw a continued action toward the 18,200 level, and just slightly above that. And I do think we'll see some resistance at this 18,250 level. I think that's what we called for a target. We hit 18,225 on the high. So I think it's imperative that we watch this as a pretty good significant resistance range, and we're seeing a little bit of a pullback. I do think that we'll see it try to make another make another move higher, but we've been seeing this slide and weaken up a little bit. It's had a very nice little run. I think it makes sense it can come back into the 1800, and I'd watch for another move as it tries to retest here. But it broke into a newer range. We talked about this being a potential target range. Look at this, how it works perfectly off our trend line. This is what we talked about as the target range. We're hitting the higher target, so it makes sense it pulls back. And then it'll probably try to go along this guideline here between the moving average and the timing line here, along with this other higher trend line. So we would watch for any break of over the bias of the 18, say 240 or 250 level, as a bigger bias to the upside.